Hi, let me show you how to turn on and off your Amazfit T-Rex free watch. Firstly, let me show you how to turn it off, and that we can do with the help of two ways. The first one is by going in settings. So let's swipe left to open apps menu and find settings. Now we need to scroll down till the very bottom of the page to find System tab. And here just choose to shut down your watch and confirm if you want to turn it off by pressing this upper select button. But I'm not gonna turn it off because I want to show you the second way, which is with the help of pressing just back button, which is located right here. So we need to press and hold it until we can see power off menu on the screen. This one is to restart and this one to power off. So tap to power off and confirm by pressing this select button. And just in a few seconds, your watch will be completely turned off. To turn it back on, you need to hold just this back button until you see a Amazfit logo appears on the screen. So let's just hold this button a little bit. And here it is. Now we can release it and just wait for the watch to turn on. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.